Okay, today you are going to make step-by-step instructions for making the perfect lemonade. So you need to figure out, a really good lemonade recipe. And there are lots of ways to find recipes out there, but a really easy way to do it is just to Google lemonade recipe, right? So you can get with your parents and have their permission to be on the internet, and you can say, okay, here we go. I'm gonna find the perfect lemonade recipe. And you may want to look at 2 or 3 or 4 different recipes and say, okay, I think that one may have too much sugar, or that one has some ingredients that I don't think I want to put in my lemonade, right? So you have just that you've researched a little bit of different recipes so you can find the perfect recipe. So you want to provide some step-by-step instructions for making perfect lemonade. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to think like someone who has never cooked in their life. They've never made lemonade. They've never done anything in the kitchen, okay? And how would you describe to them? So you need to be very specific, right? I can't just say, get the lemon juice and the sugar and the water and put it together. That's not very specific, right? I want to be very specific and say, first get out your cutting board. Then you get a knife and you slice the lemon down the middle. So you're adding a lot of details to help somebody. Okay, so you're gonna list your steps by 1, 2, and all of the steps that it's gonna take you to make your lemonade. You need to write neatly, and you need to write in complete sentences, okay? And this is all you have for today. This is part of the production process, and this is how you are going to produce your lemonade, okay? Thanks for working so hard this week, guys. Way to go. Excited to do more next week.